Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is part 2, like I said, 2 minutes later, and this is my Zippo lighter. There's the box that it came in, and it's really in there, so here, I'll take it out for you. And there it is. That is my Zippo. Here. Hold on, let me see if I can try to close it. Kind of open it like this. Here, hold on. Let me grab it the right way. Hold on. Okay, here's the Zippo, and I like flipping open like Dawn of the Dead style. But that is my Zippo lighter. And if you could see it, I don't know if you could see it on the back, but there are engravings on it here. Yeah, you could probably see them a little bit, see? And on the top it says, "To Shannon," and on the middle it says, "Happy 18th," and on the bottom it says, "Love, Mom, and Dad, 9/24/09." You can't really see it too well, but so sorry about that. That was my bookshelf. But it says that on the back. It says "To Shannon" on the top, "Happy 18th" in the middle, and it says "Love, Mom, and Dad, 9/24/09" on the bottom. Yep. So, that is my Zippo lighter. Well, one more thing too. The thing I love about Zippo lighters is the sounds they make when you open them. Yeah, I love that sound. And when they close too. Listen. I love that little clink sound. Yeah, I love that sound. Thank you.